Hi everybody. Now I will show you how to develop a website of WordPress. Okay. At first we'll go to dashboard, then pages, all pages, I will go to seventh page. I'll click here. Again I will click. Now I am in the sixth page. I wanna go in the seventh page. Okay. I will edit something. Here I wanna edit this page. Click on the edit. Okay. Here the title, resell homes in Murphy. Here the URL flag, new homes in Arlington. Duplicate. So it's a different. I should do it same. For that reason, I'll copy the word resell. I'll paste the word over the word new. Okay. Then I will copy Murphy. I will again paste it over the word Arlington, duplicate up to 78. I paste it. Then I got here resell homes in Murphy. Okay. It is under the document. You will get URL Slack. Okay. You also see here it's a template. It's a template. This template has been uploaded on a blog. Okay. This template is made by graphics design. Another one I'll show you. Okay. Now I will do update. After update, I will come in the below of the template. I'll click here. You see here are rectangular shape. In this shape, you got resale homes available in Murphy. You should drag the letter, that means select the text, and you should make it bold. Then you should change the color. I will change the color yellow, and the below subtitle I will also change in the same way. I'll do it bold. After that I will change the color. I will change it vivid red color. Okay. Later, I will select the CD Murphy. Then I will search it on the Google. I'll write here Texas, that means TX, and press on the enter button. I got here official website of Murphy. Then I will copy this URL. I copied this URL. After that, here the link option. I'll click here. I'll paste it. Okay. And then I'll click Open in New tab. Then I'll click on the Submit button. You see here the color of the Murphy has been changed. It has been turned into blue color because we have added a URL here. Then I will update. You see the word Murphy has been turned into blue color because an URL has been added in the CD Murphy. So it is a blue color. Now I will do it update. When I will do update, again I am doing update. When I click on the update, I will hold down Control key, then click on the view phase. You should do the work simultaneously. Here's the problem. Here's the problem. This is incorrect. So for correction, this will go now in the back position of Murphy. Again, I will click on edit option. I will have to change another option, template. You see here got enter full width. So you got this. We do not want it. We should change it. For changing it, we'll choose enter canvas. Then I will update. Okay. After holding down Control key, I will click on the view phase. Now you will got the proper website. Okay. Here is the CD Murphy. Here are some houses in the Murphy. Okay. If you get the same name Murphy in the above position and in the below position Murphy some houses, then your work is okay completely. I'll show you another thing here. It's a template which has been added in a blog. It's also a blog. If you wanna to add some titles and you wanna highlight, then you can use such a blog. Okay, here is another blog. We have used here website URL. This URL has been named by short code. Okay, so I have used here three blobs. One for short code, another for CD name, another for template, CD template for Biplab. I can edit it from this. In this way, you can add various template by using blocks. Thank you very much. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel to get your next tutorial. Thank you very much.